Hello students, today we are going to do next topic, decimals. If you like the video, kindly do share, like and subscribe. So what are decimals and different things related we are going to discuss. If we write 10 upon 11 or 7 upon 6 or just 10 if we are going to write in this, then its denominator will be 1. All these are the fractions we have already done. Now if we reverse them, like 11 by 10, 6 by 7, 1 upon 10, all these numbers are less than 1. Now how we are going to represent them, like 6 by 7, 1 by 10, all these are considered to be a decimals. These are all decimals number which we are going to include in our discussions. Some has their denominator as 10, some has 100. So what is a decimal? A fraction with denominator 10, 100 or 1000 is called decimal. Fine. So decimal numbers whose denominator is 10, 100 and 1000. For example, 3 upon 10, 7 upon 10. So if I talk this 3 upon 10, how I can write it? It has just one 0. So counting from the left hand side, after one digit we are going to place the decimal. So it will be 0.3, same 0.7 or 0.1. Fine. So you start from ones place as per the number of zeros and then write down the decimals in that particular number. So any fraction with denominator 10, 100 and 1000 will be the decimal number. It is denoted by dot. So now if we consider the place value chart, after decimal point we have already done in our chapter ones, tens, hundred and thousand place we have already done. Now after decimal the numbers are tenth, TENTH, tenth. We are going to put the decimal after ones place. So after decimal it is tenth, hundredth or thousandth place. THOUSAND, in the end we are going to add just the TH, tenth, hundredth and thousandth. Fine. So let us take any number, 51.76. How we are going to write it in the place value chart? So we always start with the decimal point. So 1 is at ones place and 5 at tens place. Similarly 7 at 10th place and 6 at 100th place. So this is 51.76. If you want to write it in numbers, you will write, how you are going to write it in words, 51.76. Fine. This way you are going to write. Let's take another number, 1261.002. Fine. Similarly we have written it, start writing from the decimal point. So 0 at 10th place, 0 at 100th place. Like in the same way we have done earlier in 51.76, we have started with the decimal point in this also. Fine. So it will be 1261.002. This way you are going to write it in decimal form in the place value table. Now we will write the place values of all the digits of this number. 1 is at ones place, so its place value will be written accordingly. So 1's place value is 1, The place value of 5 is 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 50. The place value of 7 is, it's at 10th place. So 7 multiplied by 1 by 10 equal to 7 by 10. And the place value of 6 is 6 multiplied by 1 by 100 is equal to 6 by 100. So these are the place value of different digits. So it's 50, then 1, then 7 upon 10, then 6 upon 100. These are the place values. Now if you want to write it in words, it is 50, FIFTY, 50, 1, point, 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 7 and 6, 51.76. After decimal point, we cannot write it like 76. We are going to write 76. Fine. Then in expanded form, how you are going to write it in expanded form? As you know, expanded form is the sum of the place values of all the digits of that number. So it will be 50 plus 1 plus 7 upon 10 plus 6 upon 100. So we are just adding the place values of all the digits of this number. Next, like we have done, 261.012. So it is 200 plus 60 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 upon 100 plus 2 upon 1000. This way you are going to write the numbers, decimal numbers, in expanded form. Fine. So and in words it's 261.012. Fine. It's not 261.012. No, 261. Now the next thing is like and unlike decimals. Now what is like decimals? Let's take an example, 5.12 and 7.76. Now we will have to calculate the digits after decimals. In both the numbers, the digits after decimal are 2, like 1 and 2, 7 and 6. So how many digits are there after decimal? 2. So they are like decimals. Let's take another example, 1.1 and 2.789. Now in 1.1 there is only one digit after decimal, and in the another number 3 digits after decimals, 7, 8 and 9. So they are unlike decimals. Fine. So these are the like, and just we have to calculate the number of digits after the decimals. If they are same, they are like. If they are different, they are unlike. Now how you are going to make unlike decimal into like? You can add the number of zeros required. So like you have 3 digits in 2.789. So we will have to make 1.1 also 3 digits after the decimal. So what we have done, we have added 2 zeros in the end. So it has become 1.100. So 3 digits after decimal in both the numbers. So now they have become like. Now in comparing and ordering, the first step is to make all the digits like decimals. Fine. So like 2.62 and we have 5.20. In this we will have to add 0 in the end, so that they will make like decimals. Now which one is bigger? 2.62. Fine. 5, start comparing from 5, they are equal. Then 6 and 2, 6 is greater, so 5.62 is greater in these two numbers. So first we will have to start comparison from the digit of highest place value number. Fine. So this way you are going to compare. Next example, ordering. The same way we will have to make them like. Then we will start comparing these numbers from the highest place value digit. So in this we have to do it 0.09, 0.19 and 1.92. Now if you want to write any fraction into decimal, how you are going to write it? Like 9 upon 100. This is a fraction. If you want to write it in decimal, first write the decimal digit which is there in the numerator. So it is 9. Now count the number of zeros, 2. So we will have to put a 0 on this side and then the decimal. So if the number of zeros decides where we are going to put the decimal. So 2 zeros, the decimal will be after 2 digits. Here like 41, how many 0? 1. Start calculating from the ones place this side. So this will be 1 and decimal. Like 1704. 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Here it will be put. Now what happens if your denominator is not 10, 100, 1000? It's not always. So we will make them 1000 or 100. Now by which we multiply 4 to make it 100? We cannot make it 10 because in the table of 4 10 doesn't come. So in order to make it 100 we will have to multiply it with किससे multiply करेंगे? 25. Yes. So it will be 75 upon 100. Now you can write it in the decimal form. So it will 75, 1, 2, 1, 2 and the decimal and the 0. Fine. Similarly, if you want to convert it into the fraction, a decimal point is given and you want to get it converted into fraction. So 8 upon, so 1 after 1 digit the decimal is there, so it will be 10. Now divided it with 2, it will be 4 upon 5. So this is in the simplest form. Here also 75 upon 1, 1, 2. So 1, 2. So both of them are divisible by 25. Fine. So 3 upon 4. So this is fraction in simplest form. Fine.